So, all of these are compound problems.
Me too.
So, they're all done the same way. The difference here is for these four, you use these two numbers for all of them. For these four, you use these two numbers for all of them, along with the individual number. And then in here, they're just like done up here, it's just their own separate problem. Okay, so these aren't any harder than these. So remember what you got to do. Y equals the original amount plus 1 or times 1 plus the rate raised to the time. So in 6, I know the original amount for all of them is going to be 1,400. The rate is 6%, so remember that's 0.06. So you take it times 1 plus 0.06 is 1.06, raised to the 5. So the only thing in these problems that are going to change is this number right there. Here, the only number that's going to change is the original amount, this number. So 1,400 times 1.06 raised to the 5th is 1873.52. You got to round to the second decimal place because it's money. Anytime there's money, because it turns out to be 0.515809, so 0.515 would round to 52 cents.
So it's 1873.
Yep, $1873.52. When you get to this, you got to match the description to the graph.
I'm guessing 18 to be C.
Yep.
19 is going to be A,
Nope.
and 20 is going to be B.
20 is B, 19 is C, 18 is A.
The best thing to do would be
I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put the 19.
Jeez.
you start with the original.
Okay, so
They're all starting at 300
And the counter.
times the rate. This is what's going to change. This would be 1.06, and then the biggest difference is in year 5. So I would put 5 in there. So when you figure that out, if it's a little over 500, it's going to be A. If it's right around, or not 500, yeah. So right there, a little over 500. Here, if it's about 400, it's C. If it's way up high, it's B. So that's what you would do to figure out that, and then you could do the same for that one. 21 and 22, you don't need to solve. All they want is the model, which is the equation like this.